Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make red pumpkin curry. I have taken half kilo red pumpkin, cut up into this size, and medium size 3 potatoes cut up in this size. So while I am making the recipe, I will show you all the ingredients. If you are new to my channel, if you like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon also. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. I'm going to make the curry in the mustard oil. First I will fry the pumpkin and the potatoes. Oil is turned hot. Now first of all I'll fry the pumpkin. Pumpkin is fried. Now I will take out the pumpkin. Put in the potatoes to fry. Potato also is fried up. This also I am taking it out. Put in 2 green chilies. Put in some jeera. And put in some bay leaves. Put in the cut up tomatoes. Put some saffron. Put some jeera powder. Put some dhania powder. Put some chili powder. Put little bit water. And fry the masala. Masala is fried up. Now put in the pumpkin and the potato. Put in some salt to taste. Fry the pumpkin and the potato with the masalas nicely. Then put some water. Put some garam masala. Put some coriander leaves. Cover it up till the potatoes cook with the pumpkin. Pumpkin and potato curry is ready. Thank you for watching my video.